Hi! In front of me is REALME NARZO 50i Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Begin with opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose security section here and click on face unlock. Then just enter your current screen lock and read the disclaimer. Now set up agree at the bottom right corner after scrolling down. Choose start at the bottom right corner as well and keep your face in frame. After that you need to select done and click on home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!